Hi. Welcome to another exam time for basic Chinese. And the content of today's exam gonna be vocabularies from lesson 40 to lesson 44. So if you haven't watched those videos about lesson 40 to lesson 44 and the quiz session, I suggest you start watching the videos first. Then let's begin this exam. The first question, which one is the Hanzi of 太阳? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is 月亮, B is 星星, C is 太阳, and D is 帮忙. 太阳 here is A. The next question, which one is the Hanzi of 女? Do you guys still remember? A is 男, B is 女, C is 新, and D is 旧. And 女 here is B. The next one, which one is the Hanzi of 来得及? This question is a little bit difficult, but you guys can do it. A is 来得及, B is 来不及, C is 了不起, and D is 踢足球. 来得及 is A. Moving on to the next question. Which one is the Hanzi of 地球? Which one do you think is the right answer, guys? A is 完美, B is 不能, C is 地图, and D is 地球. And 地球 is D. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the Hanzi of 缺点? You guys can try to recall first. A is 游泳, B is 优点, C is 缺点, and D is 排球. The correct answer for this question is C. Another question here. Which one is the Hanzi of 高尔夫? Do you guys still remember or not? A is 高尔夫, B is 乒乓球, C is 羽毛球, and D is 打篮球. The correct answer for this question is A. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the Hanzi of 可爱? If you guys cannot remember, just try to guess first. A is 生气 B is 开心 C is 网球 and D is 可爱. The correct answer for this question is D. The next question for today, which one is the Hanzi of 老师? So which one is the right answer? I will explain it later. A is 学生 B is 考试 C is 老师 and D is 难过. The right answer for this question is C. And yeah, that's all for today's exam. That was quite easy, right? And there will be another exam in our next lesson. So don't forget to keep practicing. Thanks a lot, guys.